Hi, this week I'm back with another update on all things regulatory to do with influencer marketing. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is a very interesting ASA ruling which came out this week, and it's all about defining what celebrity is and how many followers equals celebrity. So the ASA received a complaint about an Instagram ad by a parenting vlogger called This Mama Life, who was promoting a product called Phenergan, which is a sleeping pill, and that's a medicine. And the complaint was that medicine should not be used, but should not be promoted by celebrities, and that's a core tenet of the CAP code. So the ASA needed to decide whether or not This Mama Life was indeed a celebrity. They asked for a response from This Mama Life and the brand, the medicine, responded by saying that actually they felt that celebrities had usually had over about 100,000 followers, and they used examples of traditional celebrities that you'd see on TV. And they also said that they did check out their proposal for using an Instagrammer for promoting this product with the PAGB, and had received a positive response. The ASA took that into account, and they, considered whether or not over 100,000 followers equals celebrity. But actually, they drew the line at 30,000 and said that because This Mama Life had over 30,000 followers, she was a celebrity. So that's really interesting because the ASA have drawn a line and said that 30,000 plus equals celebrity. And it's interesting because obviously if you are considering marketing a medicine such as Phenergan, a sleeping pill, then you really need to be aware of how many followers your influencers have, because they are unable to promote medicines if they have currently over 30,000 followers. The next update is about the FTC. They've started running a workshop series called Green Lights and Red Flags. Green Lights and Red Flags. And it's a series of workshops, and it's all aimed at getting businesses to understand the advertising law that applies to their business. And so they do include the topic of influencer marketing and disclosure and all things promotional to do with marketing. So it would be worth signing up. I think the first one is going to be in Atlanta on August the 15th. So if you are interested and you're in the area, it might be worth signing up and attending those. So that is the end of the update for this week. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you very much.